What's up, guys? Welcome to Arabic Graphics. Now this is Sultan Ali. Today I gonna create a new tutorial. In this tutorial I will create a Photoshop banner. So I hope you will be able to benefit it after you watch the video. Now let's get started. First of all, go to the Photoshop. Now click on the file. After that, new. At first, width 60 inch, and then height 36 inch, resolution 72, color mode CMYK, inch, and 16 bit. Now okay, first of all click on the rectangle tool. Now drag like this, create a new layer, right click on the artboard, click on the stroke. Now you can choose the color, white color, and okay, control command D. Now go to the file. After that, open, choose the folder for bringing the image. Shift press. Now open all the image. Drag like this, drag like this, and drag like this for every image. Now click on the move tool, select the image and drag, leave in the artboard, and yes. Click in the image, drag like this and leave here, and yes. Now click on the image, left button press on the mouse and drag like this and leave here. Now click yes. After that, cut the image. Now first of all click on the image, control command T, drag like this. After that, enter. You can manage the layer. I hope you can understand the layer. Now right click on the image and select the layer, control command T, alt plus F, and drag like this. You can manage like this. Control enter. Now click on this image, off on the image, control command T, alt plus shift, and drag like this. Enter. Now you can cut the image as you need. Rectangle click, select the image area, direct on the keyboard, control command D. Now you can go to the fill and balance opacity 0. You can manage like this. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the move tool, control command T, drag like this for increasing the image, and enter. Now go to the text tool, you can create the name. TIUTPAR. Now control command A, select the area, cursor key off, press, click on the move tool, control command T for the text, select for the text. Now drag like this, choose the color, you can choose as you wish the color, click the text tool, click the text on the text, control command A, now choose the color and OK. So go to the FX and now stroke, click on the stroke, then you can choose the color white and OK. Now you can manage the stroke like this, 21, 22 and OK. Now click on the FX and drop shadow, click on the drop shadow, then you can manage the drop shadow like this and OK. Control command T, drag like this, now OK. Now go to custom shape tool, click on the custom shape tool, click on the arrows, these arrows, now drag like this, shift press and drag like this, and now click on the fill color, choose the color as you wish, click on the move tool, control command T, right click, click on the flip horizontal, press the cursor key, right side the cursor key press, you can manage the cursor key for certain, you can start it. Now enter, control plus J, down the cursor key on the keyboard, control command J, down the cursor key on the keyboard, control command J, cursor key on the keyboard, control command J, select the cursor key on the keyboard. Now the shape is ready, shift plus click on the shape and control command E like this. Now you can manage, control command T, you can manage like this and enter. Now click on the text tool, you can type CHING, control command A, choose the color, click on the move tool and Click on the text, Control Command A. You can choose as you wish. I'm going to choose the pink color, and now click on the text tool. Click the text, Control Command A. Now choose the color and OK. Click on the move tool, Control Command T for increasing the text. Enter Alt and drag like this on the text. Holding on the text and drag like this. Similarly, holding on the text and drag like this, and with press on the keyboard. Press on the keyboard and holding like this and drag like this. Select the text EYE. Right click on the text, go to the effects, click on the blending option, and now click on the outer glow. Click on the plane mode, and now go to the normal. Click on the normal. You can increase opacity 100%, speed 18, and size 24, and OK. Now right click on the object, select the object, go to the effects, click on the blending option. After clicking on the blending option, you can click on the outer glow. Now click the normal, blending mode normal 100%, opacity 100%. Then you can grow speed like this and size like this. Now OK. Select the layer, stroke layer. Please follow attentively. Select the control and press error. Thanks guys for watching the video. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. I hope you will be able to benefit it if you watch this video. Bye bye.